This is my 1949 Studebaker 2R5 half-ton pickup truck that my sister and I are in the process of restoring. Today I wanted to talk about removing this T12 steering column from my project truck. The T12 steering column has a steering gearbox, and you have the steering column itself, and then you have the column, the shifting column for the transmission. Down below you have the pitman arm, which is also connected to the steering gearbox. And then above there you see the reach rod, which connects the pitman arm to the steering knuckle on the passenger side. Now this ball joint connects to the pitman arm down below there. And then on the passenger side down here at the steering knuckle, the other ball joint on the reach rod connects into that spot right there. The ball joints on the reach rod had 3/4 inch nuts on each side, and then we use this ball joint separator here to separate the reach rod from the steering knuckle there and also from the pitman arm. Moving over to the other side, take a look at the steering gearbox here. It is actually bolted to the frame with 4 bolts. 2 of those bolts are a bolt nut combination. The other 2 bolt right into the steering gearbox. Now here we've taken them all out except for one in preparation for removing the steering column through the inside of the pickup. Now these are the things that you need to do to prepare the steering column from removal on the outside of the cab, and we'll complete the removal on the inside of the cab shortly. Well, one of the first things you got to do is to remove this floor panel from the pickup. The steering column is all one piece. The steering gearbox and steering column all come out together and they come to the inside of the pickup. The only thing left inside really is the steering column support bracket that has 2 bolts mounted to the dash there, and we'll just need to take those 2 out so we can complete this removal. So with that, we'll just go ahead and take these 2 nuts off of the steering column here. And so once they come out, you're just going to grab the steering column. If you got somebody out there to help you, you can just pull it in through that floor panel there. There's the steering gearbox coming out. And hopefully this will help somebody else out there. Thank you very much, and bye.